In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PHP file using Hostinger. Whether you're setting up your website, making critical updates, or simply learning the ropes of web hosting, this guide will walk you through the process with ease and clarity. First things first, you need to navigate to the Hostinger homepage. So, open up your web browser and type in the URL for Hostinger. This will take you to the main page of the H panel, which is Hostinger's version of a control panel. If you haven't already logged in, please do so using your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're on the H panel, look for the Dashboard button and click on it. This is your central hub for managing your website, and from here you can access various tools and settings related to your hosting account. After you've landed on the dashboard, you'll want to locate and click on the Websites option from the menu. This will present you with a list of all the websites you have hosted with Hostinger. Next, you'll need to find the particular website where you'd like to upload your PHP file. Look for the Files option, which should be listed there, and select it. From there, it's easy to proceed by finding and clicking on File Manager. The File Manager is precisely what it sounds like. It's a tool that allows you to manage all the files on your website. Think of it like your computer's file explorer, but for your website's data. Within the File Manager, you will see the different domains you manage. Here, locate and click on Access Files next to the corresponding domain name that matches your website, similar to peachpuffshark25433, hostingersite.com in the example. This action will allow you to interact directly with the files associated with that particular domain. After you've accessed the file management area for your selected domain, you'll want to click on the icon labeled File Upload. This will bring up options for uploading files to your server. Now, click on the Select an Option to Upload prompt. It might sound repetitive, but just ensure you're clicking each option as it appears. Finally, you'll be faced with a standard file upload interface on your computer. Choose the PHP file you wish to upload from your local drive. Once selected, look for the Upload prompt, click it, and the upload process should commence. A successful upload means your PHP file is now sitting happily on your Hostinger site and ready to be incorporated or updated into your website's structure. There you have it, a straightforward way to upload your PHP files and keep your website up to date with the tools Hostinger provides. Thanks for following along, and make sure to check our channel for more tutorials like this.